morning. This is the book I will be reading to you today. This is the front of the book. This is the back of the book. And this is the spine of the book. I know this is the title because it has the large letters. Whoop. There is only one person's name, so that tells me that that person is the author and the illustrator. Remember, an author writes the words. An illustrator makes the pictures. All right, let's read the book. What a beautiful sky. See that at the end? That's an exclamation mark. Remember, I like to call it an exclamation mark because it shows emotion. And this one, it looks like it's a happy emotion. So I should read it. What a beautiful sky. It's by Yanitsia Canetti. What a pretty name, Yanitsia. This is the table of contents because it's not just one story in here. There are two parts to it. I'm just going to read the first part though. Look way up high. What can we see in the beautiful sky? Sky, high. Those words rhyme because they both end in I, that sound. We can see the sun. It's so big and bright. It looks like a fireball in the beautiful blue sky. It does look like a fireball, and it kind of is. Did you know that the sun is a star? It's a star. All the stars you see in the sky belong to a solar system that is a star, a sun. It's a sun in a solar system, just like our sun. It's just our sun is closer. That's why it looks so much bigger. We see so many clouds. Some are fluffy and light. These kinds of clouds are called cumulus clouds. They're the fluffy ones. They all look like cotton balls in the beautiful blue sky. They do look like cotton balls. They look fluffy. They look like if you could touch them, that they would be soft, like a pillow. But if you ever did touch a cloud, it's just water molecules. It's just little pieces of water in the sky. Sometimes when you go up the mountain to go to San Diego, you drive through clouds. And those clouds, you could see them in the window. It gives you like moisture on the window because it's just water. It's hard to believe. Some clouds look much thinner. They are wispy and high. See these? I see these a lot in our skies. This is a cirrus clouds. These are cirrus clouds. They look like little waves in the beautiful blue sky. Let's see what's next. Oh no! Some clouds are misty and low. These clouds bring rain or snow. Snow, low. Those words rhyme too because they end with the sound O. Snow, low. Hear it? So these clouds that are a little bit lower, they're called stratus clouds. And the reason they're lower and darker is because they have more water in them. So they have water, and the water is coming closer and closer together to make the water molecules. And when it gets too heavy with those waters, it rains. And it snows where it's super cold. Sometimes we see a lightning show. Look at the lightning. How cool. I like lightning. You don't need to be scared of lightning, though. You don't even need to be scared of thunder. Sometimes it startles me, but I know I don't have to be scared of a storm. After the storm, the ground starts to dry. We might see a Rainbow in the beautiful sky. Sky, dry. Those words rhyme too. I love rainbows. What else can we see in the beautiful sky? We see birds and a plane. A plane is not a bird. Don't get tricked. That would be silly. Whoa, look at all of these. At first I thought they were leaves, but can you tell what they are? They're butterflies. We see butterflies. Wow, that's a lot of butterflies. We can see stars when the sun says goodbye. They are sparkling lights in the beautiful sky. Oh my goodness. Look at all the stars. Remember what I said? Those stars are also suns in some other solar system. How interesting. This looks like it's a comet. Have you ever seen a shooting star before? A comet and a shooting star are not the same thing. A shooting star is actually not really a star. A shooting star is a piece of space material, like a rock, that comes into our atmosphere. It comes into our sky. But when it comes into our atmosphere, it's going so fast that it's causing friction and it catches on fire, and then it comes down and it doesn't stay on fire. Friction is what happens, like if you take your hands and you rub them together, it gets warm. It's things that are rubbing together. The friction is caused with the gases in the atmosphere. Whew, lots of science today. I love it. Stars can make shapes like an eagle or a fish. Do you know what those are called? Those are called constellations. Constellations are all over our sky. They're kind of hard to see though, because let me point this out. This right here, they say that looks like a fish. Does that look like a fish to you? It does not look like a fish to me. And they say that this one looks like an eagle. Guys, that doesn't look like an eagle to me, does it to you? What does that one look like to you? To me, it looks like a kite. But then again, this one kind of looks like a kite too. See the happy face? I don't know if that is really a constellation in our sky. Come look at a star. Now make a wish. The moon can look different, thin and dark, round and bright. So see this one? When it's just a little sliver, it's called a crescent moon. A crescent, I remember there are some crescents like croissants that I can eat, and they're in this shape. I don't really eat the moon though. First quarter moon, see how it's kind of half a full moon, and a last quarter moon. So see, the half is on this side for the first quarter moon. It's on this side for the last quarter moon. It's kind of flip-flop. Its shape seems to change in the beautiful night. Whoa! What else can we see in the beautiful sky? We can see fireworks on the 4th of July. Wow. And look at all the people. Oh, how cool. Oh, and that's it. This is the second part. I'm not going to read that one today. That was a weird way to end this story. But I like this story. This is a super cool story. So that's the end of the passage, the selection that we need to read today. I hope that you liked this story, and thank you for reading with me. I'll talk to you later. Bye.